here's what's going on. Okay, now we've selected the bed sprite or actor, and I'm gonna put a simple design script to make it actually function as a bed, do the saving and all that, you know, the whole sleep sequence. Okay, so we're going to want to move to. Okay, we're going to want our actor to move to be right on top of the bed. There we go, that's a good spot. Then we're going to want him to say that he's sleepy in a way. So we're going to cause emote bubble. I'm going to say sleepy. Then we're going to, well, a simple way to do it is switch scene, because switch scene gets you the opportunity to reposition him or her. Your character gets you the opportunity to reposition your character. So yeah, we'll just change scene, switch scene, change scene, same idea. And no, we're not going to want him all the way over at 6. We're going to put him back at 2, but we're going to put him off to the side of the bed. And facing this way. Now what's with that, huh? Well, we can also put our fade speed. We want this to be kind of slow so that it looks like he's drifting off into sleep. Another thing we might want to do is save the game. So, SAV, save game data, drag that up. Don't worry about that statement. If you're using an emulator to play the game, it's already going to act as if it has a battery, so don't worry about that. Yeah. And there's a reason why I put it right there, because anything that's after a switch scene doesn't count. You may as well not have even put it there, because once that's done, that's done. And there you go. That's a basic script for getting him to go to sleep. Okay, that's better. Now I am going to do a custom script because I want to be able to reuse this. Okay, so I'm going to try to make my animals act more like animals using the script. This is actually quite complicated because the goal is to make it realistic, and animals don't always move towards you. So the facing directions part is part of figuring out if they are relative to you, kind of thing. I hope you understand that. Like, if they see you is the idea. I want them to, if they see you, go the other way, kind of thing. And I also want to have them move kind of randomly across the screen to different points. So yeah. whenever an animal moves, it has a point A and a point B, right? Just like everything else, where it's at and where it's going. Well, in order to check if you're in its field of view, you have to know its position on the map, because that's how computers are. So you have to know where it's at and compare it to one of two variables. So, yeah. Got a script. Horse. We'll test it out on the horse. The on int, that's for whenever it loads into the scene. On interaction, that's when you actually talk to it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you later. Bye.